Yard haunt update. No update. Still looks the same. But don't know if I got any really good shots, because I think after I had put some of the tombstones and everything out, feel like it was really late and I never did really video it. But got these larger tombstones out. Got the Julie tomb out in the yard. She looks really good. And all those Home Depot ones I was talking about. Not really much else. He's on color changing right now, which I don't like. I had him on red, so I need to adjust him. And then I need to reconnect the lights so I can mess with the lighting a little bit. But I've got it all on a timer now, on an app on my phone, so I can, this comes on kind of at sunset, and then it'll go off tonight at 11. So, but yeah, looking pretty good. So, honestly, I might not do much more than this. Other than get the rest of the tombstones out, and then I definitely will probably get the crank ghost in there. I don't know if I'm going to put too many more props in the yard. I don't think I'm going to put my 12-foot skelly out. I may just do some of the fencing on the sides for Halloween, have my fogger out. The mausoleum, I want to get those lights flickering and those pumpkins going. I might do my pumpkin guys across the top of the door there like I normally do. And man, I think I'm gonna call it there. And some detail. I'll do some detail here and there. But man, I'm just too busy. This is too much going on with pumpkin nights every night and work full time and all the life is lifing. So, but anyways, hope you guys are liking it anyway. But like I said, we'll see if I get a burst of motivation once it's actually October. Today is the last day of September. So it starting to feel pretty good outside. So I'm feeling a little bit of the spirit. But it's just different. It's different with doing the business and all of that. So. But hopefully you guys are liking it, and that's it. You guys get your haunt on, and I will see you during the next yard haunt update. Get your haunt on.